Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we will explore Micron in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 18th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 18th of November, 2024, our system has identified Micron as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.46. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is situated in the lower part of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, presenting a potentially excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $96.18 be breached, it would initially indicate a slower pace of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 12.42% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 10.88% to 32.35%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of 18.34% over the next year, with a potential return between 10.88% and 99.33%. This translates to a price range of $108.12 to $194.36 after a year. Our latest daily update for Micron includes the headline, Micron stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, the Micron stock price increased by 1.21%, rising from $96.34 to $97.51. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.66%, reaching a low of $95.53 and a high of $98.07. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, down by 4.15% during this period. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.27 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $157.54, while the lowest was $72.93. Currently, the price is 38.10%, or $60.03, below the 52-week high of $157.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Micron Technology, trading under the ticker MU, has recently garnered attention in financial news, driven by a combination of strong earnings reports and positive analyst sentiment. As of mid-November 2024, Micron stock is perceived as a buying opportunity following a slight dip, with Wall Street analysts generally optimistic about its growth potential in the upcoming months. Recent reports highlight Micron's impressive fundamentals, particularly its strong presence in the artificial intelligence and semiconductor markets, which are expected to fuel significant revenue growth. The demand for artificial intelligence chips is creating a favorable environment for Micron, especially as the company increases its investment in research and development. Analysts predict that Micron's revenues for the fiscal year 2025 could be 24% higher than those for the fiscal year 2022, suggesting solid long-term growth potential. Furthermore, Micron's performance during the earnings cycle has captured investor attention, demonstrating resilience even amid market fluctuations. However, some caution is warranted, as newer analyses indicate potential challenges for Micron's performance in 2025, which could impact investor sentiment if expectations are not met. In the short term, the combination of strong fundamentals and favorable market conditions may provide upward momentum for the stock price. Conversely, any divergence between performance and investor expectations could lead to volatility. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned MU a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo also assigned MU a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush rated MU with an underperform grade and a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave MU an overweight grade along with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, Bernstein rated MU with an outperform grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Micron stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have issued a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Micron. Volume has decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact the short-term outlook. Micron stock is currently showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. Moreover, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $102.51 and $104.97. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7th, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 14.02%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands point to a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 7 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Micron finds support from accumulated volume at $95.77. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.54 between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.66%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.12%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 18th of December, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates stand at $1.75. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Micron is at $103.71. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Micron faces its first support level at $95.77. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from various analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 21st of October, 2024, Boken Michael W. conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of October, 2024, Alan Scott R. conducted an insider purchase of 269 shares of common stock. On the 19th of October, 2024, Alan Scott R. conducted an insider sale of 137 shares of common stock. On the 19th of October, 2024, Alan Scott R. also conducted an insider sale of 269 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of October, 2024, DeBoer Scott J. conducted an insider purchase of 13,119 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 24.298. Overall, insiders purchased 640,342 shares and sold 381,813 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is Micron stock a good buy? The Micron stock displays several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Micron will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of November, we expect Micron to open lower, down approximately 473 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $97.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.